Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare NAC vs Astaxanthin full comparison. Follow along to identify key differences, practical uses, and what to consider when choosing supplements. I will explain how NAC boosts glutathione, how Astaxanthin protects lipids, and which situations favor each one. By the end, you will have a clearer sense of mechanisms, common benefits, and simple guidance for discussing options with your healthcare provider. Both NAC and Astaxanthin act as antioxidants, but work differently, so they can be complementary. NAC supports intracellular glutathione and liver detox, while Astaxanthin protects lipid membranes and skin from oxidative damage. Consider your primary goal, detox support or membrane protection, when prioritizing either supplement. Combining them can make sense for broader antioxidant coverage, but dosing and timing should match your health needs and any medications you take. If you're enjoying this comparison, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof meal prep containers make packing supplements and meals simple, keep portions fresh, and save cleanup time, which pairs nicely with a supplement routine. Peek at the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Start with recommended doses on product labels and consult your healthcare provider if you have medical conditions or use medications. NAC can cause mild gastrointestinal effects for some people, and Astaxanthin may change skin hue slightly at higher doses. Watch for interactions and consider spacing supplements from certain drugs. If unsure, test one product at a time to monitor effects and adjust as needed with professional guidance.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.